Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about Flat 6 Motorsports GoPro Mount for the Porsche 911 Cayman. Now on the Caymans, there's a bar that runs in the back and you can put a GoPro on there if you have a mount like this. So in this video, we're going to show you how to install it, and then we're going to go for a drive and show you how the footage looks from the position of this mount. So without further ado, let's start the installation. Now let's look at the mount, and we have our GoPro here. So this GoPro mount is made out of a 3D material. It is a nylon composite, which is part of the plastic family. And essentially it's two pieces. And the way it works is we're going to slide this over the bar, and then we're going to attach our GoPro. The way it works is if you look at the bottom part of this GoPro, it has this adapter and has like some ears. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and place those ears in what the correct direction you want it in until you hear a click. And it's in there, locked in. To remove it, you just push down on those ears and it comes out. So let's go ahead and install that in the car. Okay, we're going to start off with the installation. You're going to want to pick a center point, and we're going to go ahead and slide the mount on here, just like that. And we got the Flat 6 Motorsports facing us, and then we're going to attach the back. And we heard it click in. And then we're going to add the GoPro. It's locked in. It's going to angle it up. And we're ready for a drive. All right, guys, let's try out this GoPro. You try windows down first. All right, let's try windows down. Well, that footage looks awesome. If you guys want to pick up your own mount, go check out Flat 6 Motorsports website, and they are also awesome enough to give us a discount code, and it's DT10 for 10% off, and it's valid through 4/15 of 22, so make sure and pick up your mount. And they also make them for the 987 and the 718 models. Well, thanks a lot everyone for watching this video. I appreciate it, and you guys stay safe, and we will see you soon.